think of when you hear the word conflict? What do you associate with that word? Most people say something like argument or fighting, followed by uncomfortable, awkward, or bad. The deal is, no one really likes conflict. Some people may not mind it as much as others, but most people associate conflict with negative emotions and experiences. And that makes most of us want to mitigate it or avoid it altogether. But here's the next deal. We can't avoid conflict. It's going to happen. Just like each of us has our own innate strengths and talents and personality traits, we each have an innate style of approaching conflict. There are 5 styles of conflict management: accommodating, compromising, collaborating, avoiding, and competing. In my workshop, we use an assessment to rank our types. And the best part is the types are associated with animals. This means when I present my workshop, everyone gets their very own little stuffed animal to keep to remind them of their innate conflict management style and how they can use that to better interact with the people around them. Everyone gets to find out if they are an accommodating teddy bear, a compromising fox, a collaborating owl, an avoiding turtle, or a competing shark. So what's the benefit of learning my conflict management style? Here's 3 ways this can benefit you. This workshop reframes the concept of conflict. We explore definitions of the word conflict to understand that at its core, conflict is simply when 2 or more things are different. And considering no 2 humans are exactly alike, every single one of us lives in a perpetual state of conflict with all other humans. So we should probably understand how we each handle that so we can function together. This workshop explores how teams can work together and communicate more efficiently through all types of conflict. It doesn't matter if your group is an office staff, a student organization, a civic group, a sports team, a church volunteer group, or a family unit. It's made up of people who need to communicate and work together. People who have distinctly different ways of communicating and working together. This workshop is just as much about learning other people's innate styles as it is learning our own. It's actually fun. Look, because this workshop isn't directed at a person involved in a conflict or a situation causing conflict, we can discuss the topic with less emotion and distress than usually accompanies conversations surrounding the subject. And because we're really exploring and celebrating personal temperament, which is generally viewed as positive, informative, and enjoyable, we can have fun with it. Bottom line, this workshop is a really cool and fun way to learn more about yourself and your team without the cheesy icebreaker games and without the dull academic presentations. Who knew talking about conflict could be so fun? Stay excellent.